Hello, my name is Ulrich Jäger from the Medical University of Vienna. We presented together with my colleague from Milano, Paolo Corradini, and on behalf of the JULIET investigators, an analysis which was directed toward the detection of biological factors that influence the response to tisa-cel treatment with data from the JULIET trial. What we first of all, of course, have to remember that the 40-month update of the JULIET study showed that in the end, at 36 and 40 months, 33% of the patients had a progression-free survival. And that, of course, in return means that we have to accept that half of the patients at least will have a relapse or will not directly profit from this tisa-cel treatment, while 1/3 of the patients on the long has a chance even maybe to be cured. So it's important to predict who will respond and who will not respond. And what we did in this presentation is that we looked at the MYC expression by IHC in the tumor sample, and patients who had more than 40% IHC expression of MYC, that was 73 patients, had a poorer outcome. That was significant for duration of response, for progression-free survival, and not significant but striking for the overall survival. So high MYC expression predicts for poor outcome. Next, we investigated the tumor infiltrating CD3 cells, and there is a correlation between low or absence of tumor infiltrating CD3 cells and poor outcomes. Again, low CD3 cells predict for a shorter duration of remission, for a poorer progression-free survival, and in this case even for poorer overall survival. And finally, within the T cells, we also looked at the LAG3 CD3 positive T cells in the microenvironment. And if they were high, let's say more than 20%, then that also predicted for poor outcome. Duration of remission for these patients was very short and significantly shorter progression-free survival and overall survival. So overall, these data show that with these histopathological analyses, we add another layer to the predictive factors, now going in the direction of the biologics of the tumor. And when we, by the way, combine that with one of the classical predictors, which is LDH, we could even separate patients by combining LDH and MYC expression into very good groups, a good group with normal LDH and no MYC or low MYC expression, which had a progression-free survival of 75% on the long run. So taken together, I think this is an interesting novel finding that gives us the chance to combine biological factors with clinical factors in order to predict outcome after tisa-cel.